Okay, so today I am going to teach about the sac-like digestion. As in the previous video we see the digestion in amoeba, so today we are going to discuss about the sac-like digestion. So here in the sac-like digestion, the one most important thing is here is only one opening. One opening is present from where the ejection means taking in of food and ejection means taking out of food, both will occur only one opening. Like here one opening we have mouth, so from mouth the ejection, taking in food and taking out food, both will happen. Okay, so here number one point we can say, here we have leg anus. This means here we do not have anus, and here the digestion takes place from mouth. So here we have leg anus, so means we do not have the anus. The third point we talk about, so here we have the blind body, or you can say cavity. These all points I will discuss with the help of picture. Blind cavity, or you can say blind body. So the sac-like digestion mostly happens or occur in the invertebrates. Now what are invertebrates? We all know that invertebrates are those which do not have the backbone. Okay, so now let's discuss the fifth point. Here we have in the sac-like digestion, those are diploblast animals. Diploblast means those have two layers. Diploblastic animal, those have two layers. Okay, two layers. Now the sixth point, if you talk about, so here first the intracellular digestion take place, after then extracellular digestion take place. Both digestion take place, but in the cell the digestion take place, after outside the cell digestion take place. So in the sac-like digestion, no well maintained you can say transport, or you can say there in the sac-like digestion we do not have the proper transport system or a specific transport system. Okay, so the seventh point, here we do not have the nervous system, no proper nervous system. Okay, but here no proper nervous system we do not have, but here what we have, neurons are present. Okay, so from neurons the reflexes are generated. So here these are the points which occur in sac-like digestion. Now let me tell you one example of one most common example, that is HYDRA. First of all, and here we have planaria too. So first of all we discuss about the HYDRA, then in the next video we'll discuss about the planaria too. Okay, so let me draw the picture. Okay, so I draw the rough stuff, we can say the figure. So through that I'll explain you each and everything. So in this is a cavity, here this is cavity, and this cavity is known as the gastrovascular. Okay, gastrovascular. Then after that we have this one inner membrane, that is known as gastrodermis. Here we have first membrane, that is epidermis. In HYDRA this is epidermis, while if this is also known as ectodermis. Okay, so these here we have, these are basically the tentacles. Okay, so this is mouth, from where ejection and digestion, from where ejection and ingestion both will occur, And here we have, this is the middle one layer is known as mesoglea. What? This is mesoglea. Okay, so now let me tell you each and everything. So here, as you can see, the function of basically the gastrovascular is, this is the blind cavity we can see. So here gastro means digestion, and vascular means transport. So here in this cavity, both digestion and transport will take place. Both will occur. So that is why the name is gastrovascular. Now this is the gastrodermis, which is basically the inside layer. And in this layer, as I don't hear the silica, means here like projection cilia are present, which help to move the food up and down. Okay, so now this is mesoglea. Mesoglea basically it is a non-living, and this is the fluid, one type of which is present between the epidermis and gastrodermis. Liquid fluid is present between the epidermis and gastrodermis, and here in this fluid 80% is the water, and this is basically the gel-like substance. What? Gel-like substance. Now here the work of epidermis, this is what? The outer layer, so this work is a protection. Okay, so this is the mouth. With the help of the enzyme ingestion and adhesion happens. So these are basically 10 tentacles. These are made up of nidoplast or nidocytes. And here in the mid between we have here enzyme. Okay, so that is hydrolase enzyme, which helps in breakdown or digestion of food. So here the catalyst hydrolysis process will occur. Okay, hopefully this diagram is clear to you. Now let me tell you each and everything. So here with the help of tentacles, they will take the food, and their food is basically what? Cyclops. Their food is cyclops, and this is basically, cyclops are one type of food which Hydra eats, and these are present in the water. Okay, drafting insects. These are one type of drafting insects. Okay, so here these take inside. After that, here whole process will occur. Digestion and transportation both will occur. Then with the help of cilia, the food will move up and down. After that, here still the function, little bit of this is remaining. Let me tell you. Okay, so here I have drawn the advanced picture of this. So here you can see, this is basically what? Nidocytes, and here this is nucleus, and this is nidocyst. Okay, and here this is nidocell. So what's actually this word says how? So here you can see we have first a nidocyte. Nidocyte, this word is cell. Okay, So nidocyst is basically present inside the cell. Okay, so nidocyte will perform the whole structure. In this we have the poisonous substance too, which is released. So here nidocyte basically works as a weapon. Hathiyar, weapons. Okay, so in the nido cell, what will happen? Let me tell you that these will generate the reflexes. Okay, so when the reflexes are generated, so what these nidocell will generate the impulses, and here in the nidocell we have hair-like projections. So here like projections. Okay, so now see the process. First of all, nidocell, these will generate the impulse. These are hair-like projections. So when the food enters, these will generate the impulse, and those impulse will be going to the nidocyst. Nidocyst will work as a weapon and try to come outside. Here in the second picture, as you can see, this is nidocyst which is coming outside. From here it came outside, upper part. Okay, so this will work as a weapon. After that, this nidocyst, as these produce the reflexes, so response is produced by nidocyte. Produced. Okay, so here how this will work, maybe this is clear to you, but in this diagram I will clear it furthermore. So here we have nidocyst. As I tell you, this will come out, so this come inside, and this is narrow head, and here we have lid. So here when it will come out, this is what we have here, lid. Okay, so when it will come out, so the lid will be open like that. This lid will open here, and then this will come out. So when this will come out, here this has impulse, generate the impulse, that response went there and there. So here it will take the food. So with help of these tentacles, the food will come inside, and then the hydra will eat with the help of mouth. Then this type of digestion also take place. Hopefully this is clear to you. Bye bye.